The Swan Song by Anton Chekhov. Pronunciation lesson part 3. Dumb, more, elements, daring, comedian, ancestors, sweet, aimlessly, sinner, unpainted, nowhere, haughty, disgusting, letting, unworthy, strange, standing, happiness, kneeling, pities, splits, heavily, profane, gathering, drunken, gruesome, darkest, onco, locked, easier, shrill, ambition, warm, worship, sulphurous, church, shroud, drained, searched, alive, lay, piercing, through, aristocrat, fright, caress, unmannerly, oak, rehearse, wild, wine, encumbered, buffoons, pride, thumb, shaking, raw, rascals, cataracts, discourse, dreadfully, returning, applaud, pitch, walk, impatiently, bashful, yonder, talents, beseech, thunderbolts, background, pouring, scoundrels, flame, passionate, neighing, comedians, harmony, circumstance, sobs, midnight, singe, rumble, spit, intoxicated, living. Thank you.